What's up, everybody? So we're back. Local Outlaws and JJ's Motorsports. We're back with another evening vlog on the car adventures. Got my girl with me. What's up? So new update for you guys. We got some Local Outlaws jewelry coming out. Just custom one-on-one items. You know, something unique. This is your Piston Me Off necklace. That's gonna be up on the website. Got the Local Outlaws hoodie on today too. But we're going to Bells and Vaughn. They're doing a little pop-up meet with another group, and we're gonna go out and chit chat with some people, hang out, mingle. Got some stickers, so maybe pass out a couple stickers to some friends, and got some homies coming out to hang out. So
let me show them all gas, no brakes.
Oh, look at that one! Look at that one! There you go. But yeah, so we're gonna go have fun, and y'all stay tuned. Check this out. We got a DeLorean. All the lights. Oh, beam it, Scotty. Look at this bad boy here. This thing's pretty cool. Look at that. I always wanted a car with doors that open up like this. Always got to show love to my fellow Skyline brothers. Got a R33 sitting on some BBS LMs. Looking good. Clean car. Got a turbo wagon. It's a 328 or 338i wagon. But really, right here we got the Subaru Impreza RS. Yeah, it's a real RS. Two-door things on it. GTR. Bells and Vaughn's doing it up. Got the Z32 over here. Some cool stuff on there. Yeah. Got the Viper. Got the food going up in the back. Got the doggo. Oh, look at the doggo. Let's see what we got going on over here. What we got going on over here? We got guys on the simulator.
Sorry, I didn't see you guys start at Why don't you get on? It just went crazy.
One of the coolest cars here. Got the Viper. It's a V10 by Dodge. Boy, this bad boy. This is unique. It's a Big Daddy car right here. Check it out. Check it out. Big Daddy. Alright, how many of you guys have seen one of these before in person? How many of you have seen one of these bad boys in person? It's a TVR. I don't know if this is a Speed 6 or I don't know. I only seen one of these in Gran Turismo. I ain't never seen one of these in person. And this thing is cool. Sounds good too. Sounds real good. And we got the cool kids over here hanging out. Checking out the Z. Oh, look at those cool kids. We got a Corolla, another Rolla, Type R. We got a couple FDs over here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Got another FD. This one's right-hand drive. Yeah. It's a real JVN FD. We got the Recaros in there with the Momo. Ooh, got the Momo steering wheel. Look at that bad boy with the Momo. thing looks good. Then we got the Integra, we got the young Teggy, and my homeboy's Tegra. He do Lyft and Uber, ladies. We got the Recaros in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, pretty sick little thing. Guess what though? We got them TEs, baby. We got Sean's Volvo over here. You guys seen this one on Hoonigan? It's on this versus that. That's a cool little car. Yeah, let's check out the cars outside the meet. We got a Cressida. One of them JDM things. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool little Cressida. It's a little drift boy. This is what I came to check out, this Mark II. And this thing's nice. It sounds pretty stock. These real VS's? Oh, yes they are. This bad boy is clean. Pretty cool, clean little car. Yeah. Pretty clean interior. This would be a cool dad car. All right, everybody. Well, that's it for our time here at Bells and Vaughn. It was a pretty cool little meet, cool little get together, friends, family, you know, little small town, local Pasadena meet. So everybody go check out Local Outlawz and check out JJ's Motorsports. But we'll see you on the next one. So stay tuned. Oh, I got some fuzz in my beer, but stay tuned. We got more things coming on, and we'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go hang out at the bus stop and wait for my ride.